I could have fucking grabbed
Phil
that
had a
triple tick ass thing
$2,000
instead,
cat reveal. So his big surprise was a cat? Really?
Thank you.
I might have to drop my G7 for
So
the peacekeeper.
he was paid $2,000 to tell y'all he had a cat. That's incredibly bad. Alright, so what we got here? Come to find out, he had the cat for a year already. It's sad, man, that people are going to get him. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, dude.
Yeah, I don't know who he is either. He's not on mine either.
The fact of the matter is, the fact that he got $1,000 to tell you guys something he should have just told y'all is kind of ridiculous, but whatever. What do I know, right? I should probably tell y'all I have a cat. Where's my check? Yeah, Raph, I know. Like, that's crazy. But you know what? It's not his fault people actually gave him money for that. People actually guessed it was a cat a few weeks ago and he denied it. Yeah, of course. That what makes it even worse. If people are, you said people got it wrong or somebody was close.
Might be something
I think if they're in the realms of a pet, they pretty much got it right. So you should have just told them.
Yes.
Charging people that much money to tell them you have an animal is kind of silly. Alright. Bro, that stream was fucked up even for... Yeah, I mean, it is fucked up. It really is fucked up. Like, I tell y'all right now, when and if I get really big on Twitch, because it's going to happen. I just gotta stay dedicated to it. I will never, and I mean ever, charge my audience for something as stupid as that. That is fucking incredibly bad. And I'm not going to sit here and bite my tongue either and act like I'm okay with it. I'm not. That was really bad. If you donate me $1,000, like seriously, I'm taking you to dinner.
Merci.
I'm not letting you get away with that. That's a lot of money, dude. Let alone two. Oh my god. Alright, so let me read this real quick. To explain it a little more detail, his tier 1 reveal 1K was that he had a cat, which okay. 2K was that he allows it to come in his room and might show up on camera. What the fuck?
Wow. That is some scummy sounding, you know. That's wild.
Triple take here.
Oh shit!
Supplies coming in.
Oh shit!
Peacekeeper here.
Give me an extra $50 and I'll let him come in the room.
And bring the cat. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna bring the cat in the street.
Oh
shit! Gotta put it out real quick.
To those who need it, there is an extended energy mag here. Level 2.
Give me $35 and I'll feed him today.
Going to phase.
Oh, I didn't want to do that. Damn.
Oh shit! Hey yo!
I thought I was caustic for a second.
Oh my god! Oh, that made my stomach burn. That was fucking funny. Oh my god! And he's serious too. He's not joking. This actually happened. Holy shit! Oh, I needed that laugh. That felt good, man. That was good for the soul.
Yep, the shit is unlooted. From,
I appreciate that
tunnel.
lip jam. That was fucking funny.
Optics here. Close range.
I know you're not joking.
Standard stock here.
That's why it's so
Level 2.
funny. You're dead serious. That shit is crazy, dude. That's probably one of the most ridiculous things I've ever heard in my life. Oh my God.
Donate to the stream, guys, and I'll let the cat be on.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. The tier 2 was he'll let the cat come in the room. Ugh.